Hello, fellow planters and growers. It's me, Rachel, with Everyone Can Grow. And today, I just wanted to talk to you about growing plants indoors. Not like how to do it, but more of a why. And not just why, but what can we get from it? And what can we expect? I feel like a lot of people think they need a certain colored thumb in order to grow plants because of a strange or unusual belief that you have to have some kind of talent to grow plants. Well, I'm here to tell you today, you don't need any talent at all. I certainly don't have any. What you can do is just keep trying. And that's really the essence and the heart of indoor gardening and indoor plant growing. And I would really like to encourage every one of you out there that watches this video. And if you have somebody who's about the thumb colors, you can tell them, well, go suck on it, because that's not what's going to help you grow. What's going to help you grow a plant is just giving it a shot, trying a few things, making mistakes, watching a couple plants die, watering, overwatering, underwatering, over pruning. Oh boy, I have done it all. In fact, I think so far on my channel, I've showed you more misses than hits. And you know what? That's a great analogy for life too. That just because you're not good at it at the beginning or your plant dies doesn't mean, oh no, I can never own another plant. My plant died. That's it. Gone forever. No more indoor ecology for me. That's just not the case. It's just not true. What you need to do, research. I mean, we all live in the world of Google at this point. So we have this incredible online library that anybody can access who has a internet connected cell phone, a library, literal library with internet connected computers. If you don't have a computer or cell phone at home, there is always a way to get connected to information. So research is really our best friend. And yeah, oh no, that's a little bit of work. That sounds like it's a little too much for me. I don't think I can research. Well, that's where channels like me come into handy. I really think YouTube is your best bet. If you're just not the reading sort, kind of want to read this email I just wrote because it came out sounding kind of cool. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Forest Ecology from the Evergreen State College, and I have my master's degree in environmental education from Western Washington University. I did my thesis project on the intersectionality between veterans and indoor gardening, which is true. My focus was to develop a curriculum that specifically targeted disabled veterans in a way that allowed them to compare their own healing journeys to the ups and downs of indoor plant care. Yeah, the downs. And it's okay. Downs happen in life, in plant care, in everything. I also deliberately chose indoor gardening to help people further draw themselves into the world ecosystem. And I capitalize that because what I mean by world ecosystem is the planet. You know, there are ecosystems and little bio niches. And then when you put them all together, you have the world ecosystem. And it's very important that we all recognize we are a part of that ecosystem, wherever we are. And I want to draw people into the world ecosystem by breaking down the barrier of what is and is not considered nature. This was in an effort to help my students see that regardless of where they are and what their personal ability or disability may be, they are an inseparable part of the natural world and the ecosystem that they live in. Plants are, in my opinion, the greatest analogy that can be drawn for the ever-changing nature of human life, and thusly are the best way to help people learn positive coping skills and other life skills, as well as helping people to understand their impact on the ecosystems around them. And then I just link a couple things, one to my website, one to my research paper, which if you don't know my website by now, it's everyonecangrow.com. And you know, I think I'll go ahead and throw up my research paper link in the description of this video, just to give y'all a little bit of a idea of what writing a master's project, field project was like and what I had to do for it. You know, what the biggest thing I learned in school was that no matter how much you know very little. And there's always more to learn. So keep that in mind when you're growing plants. If something dies or if it's not doing well, certainly reach out. I would suggest Reddit, believe it or not, with a Reddit that's called r/plant clinic for any questions about a dying or weakening plant. And look on, if you're a Facebook person, I would suggest going on and just go into the search bar and search for local plant groups, for people who grow gardens and indoor plants in your area, wherever you are in the world. So I hope you find everything you need on Facebook or Reddit there, and even YouTube. If you're having a specific problem, or if you just want to know more about plants, just kind of Google intro to learning more about plants, whatever. You can also email me at everyonecangrow@gmail.com. I'm very happy to answer your questions and help you with your individual plant care needs. And I really hope to build a community on Discord to get people to work with each other and help each other grow plants. I'm not the most knowledgeable on moderation and stuff, but I also have a Reddit page for Everyone Can Grow. I have the Discord. You can find me. I'm here for you. So please reach out to me. I really am here for you. And I want you to believe that. That's all for now. And I hope you are having the best day. And I will talk to you again later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.